plant
That's
versus
not
the cross.
fair.
The
The
crappy
Bible
plant
against the cross.
I'm not gonna have you throw them. I'm not gonna hit the Bible with the
But that's
cross.
more fair.
Set the crappy plant. Do it.
Oh, it's not broken.
Yeah, but it just got thrown across a room.
I think you need to hit it harder.
Okay, we'll hit it again. Hold on.
Oh, no.
Come on, fine.
Chocolate bars.
What?
They melted, so they're a funny shape. You can't put them in the container anymore. Would you like one?
Oh, yes.
You guys too?
Intermission.
Thank you.
You too?
Sure.
Okay.
It's gonna take a break
Don't
from
mind
cross
me.
matching, so.
Okay, back to cross mashing.
Wait,
This
wait.
plant,
We're plant smashing.
Bennington won round 1, okay?
Bebbington?
Wouldn't it be funny if the cross?
Oh, right.
Yeah.
That would be.
Bennington won round 1, okay.
Me.
Okay.
So Remington's 2-0.
Oh.
Enough said.
You told